is skipper time. I'll be a skipper for the next 12 days of Christmas. Gives you a little bit of time to figure out what you're getting me for Christmas. We're going to be going throughout the jungle figuring out where all our gifts and our decorations are as they lost their intended target. They did not hit where they were supposed to be. Now, my friends, welcome to the Amazon, also known as the I Want to Go See Santa River. Now, if you look over to the left and to the right, you'll see that there is no fish in the water. Well, that's because they went home for the holidays. Veronica. If you look over to the left and to the right, you'll see those bugs on the logs. Those are also known as humbugs. Some people call them butterflies. They have a wingspan of 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. Over to our left is Inspiration Rock. You're probably wondering why it's called Inspiration Rock. Well, that's because it inspires even the biggest Scrooges like yourself to sing carols throughout the holidays. Exactly what I thought. Now, my friends, we have now entered the Congo River. Let's see how far this river can go. Well, it does look like it's taken to one of our live attractions. Everyone, duck! Right there. As we come up through the Congo, we're taking our boats, baits, and bites. Now over here we do celebrate a Merry Christmas and a Happy Good New Year. They should have been decorated for Christmas. Or maybe they're humbugs as well. Now my friends, if you look over ahead of us, here's our friendly snake. It does look like he already got the gift that he's been wanting all year. An old tree with a boa on top. Isn't that nice? I wouldn't touch him. He'll get wrapped up in wherever he's got. Now it does look like they finally got our gifts and our decorations. Bad thing is, it does look like the grills got to them first. Glad to see they finally got that jeep to turn over. Plus they got a monkey wrench in their stocking. Now welcome to the Nile, friends. At the end of the Nile over here is our naughty elephant. We've been telling them all year to be on their best behavior, otherwise Santa would not give them any gifts. They didn't believe us? Guess they were in denial. Now they have been telling us all year, yeah, I get it. You're still not going on the list. Santa sees everything. This one over here though, she's a sweetheart. A little pitchy. Straight ahead of us is our Jingle Bell Rock. We do love it. Don't take it for granted. Now coming up, my friends, over here our horned beasts seem to be getting ready for the holidays. Their favorite, the New Year. Do I have any Detroit fans out there? Well, looks like the Lions finally got the big game. Don't worry about that, Diva. He's just sleeping. Had a big meal for Thanksgiving. He'll wake up eventually. Over here on the right, it does look like all of our explorers from around the world got together for the holidays. Isn't that sweet? Everyone say, aww. Now, Mr. Rhino, that is not what I meant by decorate your tree, but I usually string popcorn. Those hyenas on the right are also known as elf hyenas. They're also known as Santa's little yelpers. Around this corner, we do have our friend Ginger. She has been our best behavior, so the Skits and I have decided to get her the gift that she's been wanting all year. A crock pot. And that's Mr. Frost right next to her. Don't worry about him. He does bite. Now, my friends, I've been working on a really great snowman for you all year. Figured you would like it considering it's the holidays. Now, if you look over at the top of the... Oh, never mind. It's been a warm winter. That was embarrassing. Don't tell my mom. Oh, duck in, we're about to get wet, duck in. Pranked him. I'm already on the naughty list, so I'm gonna worry about that. Now, my friends, it does look like Halfway Bound has a great deal on flights this year. Half off. If you ask me, probably should have used reindeer. Huh. It looks like I know where Skipper Felix has been hiding all the presents for us other skips. And don't worry about that though. That's a trick I'll show you later. Now, all these hippos, don't worry about them either. Only the naughty ones wiggle their ears. Now friends, here at the Jingle Cruise, us skips take the Jingle Cruise very seriously. And I mean seriously, we do not monkey around. Those are eggs. No one ever said we didn't ape around. Also, a good reminder to let everyone know not to swing while driving. And keep your eyes on the river, just like me. Over on the left, it does look like our friends are trying to catch some butterflies for the holidays. The only thing I seem to be good at catching in the holidays is the cold. I know exactly why we've been on this cruise for the last 12 days. Just this moment, my friends. Get out your cameras for the most amazing backside of water! Now for that other joke, that other skill I was going to show you earlier, we are now going underwater! We're going on the Mekong River, which, if I'm not mistaken, is taking us to someplace very special. Keep your eyes peeled, because it does look like the Mekong is taking us straight directly into Santa's workshop. Yes, keep your eyes peeled. We might see Santa. If you see him, let me know. We have now entered a rare Indian elephant bathing pool. Right over on the left is Bertha. Now Bertha does smell, so we have decided to gift her with a gift of a shower. How many of you wait until the holidays to finally take a shower? Sounds about right. Oh look, an elephant bathing under a full moon. How beautiful. Now for the elephant over here on the right hand side, well, she only sprays nice boats, so get ready, get ready, get ready! Well, guess we're all getting cold. Okay. Now, I already knew I was on the list. That's not me, that's you. Now to come up our final area, it does look like Trader Sam has gone into the holiday spirit. Decked out the Trader Sam's gift shop for the holidays. Now when I said that you haven't showered for the last year, you probably need new underwear. Over here on the right. That was great. You probably love that. Thank God. Those underwear were briefly worn, by the way. So feel free to wear them if you like. Now my friends, we have now finally come to the final stretch of the Jingle Cruise. As a reminder, please remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And